Let's talk about the return on your air conditioning system. Folks don't understand how important that is. Be sure that you're changing your filter on a regular basis. What I do is I date my filter so I know every 3 months that it's time to change it out. You can also tell whenever it's turned kind of a nasty color that it's time to change it. Something that folks don't think about though, what's behind the filter? Well, down in here you can see that I have sealed this thing completely up, and I've even put some cloth down here to help with the sound. By sealing this up, it means the only air that's going into my system is through the grate. Otherwise, it will literally pull dirt and nastiness out of the wall, and guess what? You get to breathe that. So check out your return, lower your energy bill, and cut out all that dusting you have to do in your house.